These are the little babies that are trying to, they're hopping around. They're not flying yet.
Kara, back up.
Back up, leave them be. Oh, they're just little ones.
Back up, Kara.
Why?
Because he's trying to learn how to fly and he can't do that if you're on him.
Can't fly yet. He's trying. How many other ones are there? Little ones like this?
3.
Yeah, there's one on the basketball hoop.
Where? Hey!
Oh, the other ones are doing good.
2, 3, 4.
Oh,
There's 5.
leave him. He's got tiny little wings.
This one must be the little runt because it's not flying as well.
Oh, look at him run. He's walking. Oh, he's not flying high.
Careful, there might be others on the ground.
Careful when you're walking. Oh, wait, Kara, please back up. Back up, Kara.
Kara, you gotta give it space. Kara, come over here.
Oh, he's trying. Look.
You're gonna hurt him.
He tries. You're gonna wear him out and make him too tired.
Oh, there's another one over there by Kayla. Okay, stop running around because you might step on one.
Oh, so we have that one, and we got another baby over here.
Oh,
he's coming. Okay, no, Kara, don't. Wait a minute, I'm not lining up right. Okay, wait a minute. I can't get him on the camera right now. I'm not lining up right. There he is. Here's another one.
Okay.
Oh, they're trying. Aren't they cute? Yeah. They're trying to learn to fly. Gotta give them a break. Oh, aren't they cute?
Don't touch. You can't touch.
It's just a baby? Just a baby? Oh, she's waving to the little baby.
Yeah, it's probably hungry for sure.
I'll go find some more.
No, honey. The mama bird has to do it a certain way.
You're hungry? That's how I
Oh, she wants to know if the little birdie's hungry. Yeah. Poor baby. Okay, gotta give him room. You're getting too close, Kara. I can't see him on the camera if you got your hands. There we go.
Get in there.
Yeah, look. See? See that baby in there. Okay, give him room. Oh, they all want to baby him.
I want to pay him.
Okay, move your hands. Move your hands. We don't touch them.
Birdies.
Yeah, move your hands, Kara.
Oh, the mama's flying around getting mad.
What?
Oh.
Where?
Okay, we gotta go to the swings, honey.
Why?
Because the mama
So
wants
they're
to come help it
visiting
learn
the
how to
play
fly.
yard. Yeah, it's the mama's job to teach them.
He's hungry.
She's hungry.
Come on.
Let's back away. Kara, you just scared her.
Go on the
right.
swings. Go on the swings.
Tiny little ones.
Stay away and
All
watch where
right,
you're
we have
slipping.
3 little ones like this. Let them be, Kara. And they're all going to have to learn to fly.
Okay, get away.
All right. Hope you've enjoyed my bringing these to you. Stay tuned for more. Bye-bye now.